Hey guys, I know I can't even get it together. Hey guys, so to all my newcomers, my name is Misha. I'm the owner, influencer of this channel, Misha's Corner. Apparently, I gotta introduce myself because people are actually, they don't know who's cooking these recipes. And I had to immediately get a video together because I'm like, that means I'm not present enough. Well, my name is Misha. The Coldest Water commercial break. Make sure you guys check it out. The direct link will be in my description box. And use my code Misha10 to get 10% off your order. This is a 32 ounce. And I love it. I'm obsessed with it. And it's the perfect size for me. However, for you gym rats that like the big old, they have the big, I believe they're a gallon or more, but they're big. So check them out and tell them I sent you and use my code. All right, you guys, so I'm about to make some chicken and broccoli Alfredo pasta, and yeah, it's super delicious, easy to make, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. You can use your favorite brand heavy cream or cheese. You don't have to get the block. You can get the shredded. I got garlic, basil, broccoli, and chicken breast. So I'm gonna season the water with some bouillon powder. That's for the broccoli, and then for the back for the pasta. So I'm gonna cook my broccoli for approximately 2 minutes. If you cook it longer than that, don't even bother. We can't be friends, okay? 2 minutes. This is my spice. It's lit, lemon pepper. This is what I'm going to be using in today's recipe. And the only spice, and maybe some pepper. But the spice is really good. It's garlicky and full of flavor, herby, lemony, the works. So make sure you guys check this out September 1st. So now I'm just going to sear the chicken in a screaming hot skillet. Now I'm able to add all my chicken because the skillet is screaming hot. Do not sear this chicken in a cold or medium warm pan. I know y'all scared of fire and all of that, but we don't have time for that. Turn the heat up. It needs to be hot before you add the chicken. If you're really scared, only add a few pieces at a time. Don't add them all like I did. So just, use common sense. And this is how the chicken looks. Amazing. This is me putting the pasta down in here. I broke it in half. I'm not cooking a lot. I'm just making enough for 2 days or 3 days, however long it's going to last, for my husband work. Currently, I'm not eating any pasta, so it's basically like meal prep for lunch. So I'm adding my heavy cream after I sauteed my garlic down just like this, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness, y'all know I love me some garlic. Next, I'm gonna add some black pepper. I add lots of it because I love it. Some of that basil right here that I showed y'all in the beginning of the video. I'm going back down in here with Misha's Corner. It's lit, lemon pepper. And look how amazing this sauce looks. You don't need salt. You do not need salt. You want to add your freshly shredded Parmesan cheese, mix it in, and then you're going to add the chicken. After I add the chicken, I'm adding everything. The chicken, the juice, everything that accumulated. Once I remove the chicken, it's all going down in there. Look how good this looks, you guys. Like, I cannot. The flavor. I wish y'all could smell this. When they going to come up with smell-o-vision? Next, I'm going to add my pasta. Now, the broccoli I'm not adding until the very last second. I'm going to remove it from the stove. I think a big mistake, a lot of people make, they boil their broccoli or their vegetables in the sauce and it becomes watery. I don't do that. The last second, like the last 30 seconds, is when I add the broccoli back to the heat. And after I mix it in, I remove it. And this is how it looks. And it's like I can't even deal with the garlic and the lemon pepper. It smells amazing. So now I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. So I wanted to get into more light so you guys can see what I'm doing. I topped it off with some more Parmesan cheese. Don't forget to check out the Coldest Water bottle. Now I'm going to pour my husband up some drink. This is just some peach punch, and I added some blueberries for razzle dazzle. That's all that was. And this is what the plate looks like. It's delicious, it's creamy, it's cheesy, it's savory, it has a kick, and I hope you guys give it a try. the world is going through the most, the absolute most. And I'm not going to speak for others. I'm just going to speak for myself. Y'all know I lost my pops. My health went down the drain. Broken friendships and relationships. It's just a lot. And I just feel like at this time, a lot of us could use some happiness, some joy. And I'm going to try and attempt to make my little corner somewhere that people can come watch videos, have fun with us, kick it. Like I said, when you're going through something, you can't give people your best. And I just wasn't my best. I wasn't my best mentally, physically, spiritually. I was just not my best. And I can't come on here and be fake. I just can't do it. I can't come on here and be like, oh my God, when I feel like absolute garbage. So I promise to be more present in my videos. We have a lot to cover and get into for the remainder of this year. They had the first half. Misha's Corner finna have the second half, okay? But I want to thank everybody for your support. No matter what, don't give up. Doesn't matter who walk out of your life. It doesn't matter what you had to walk away from. Remember, your mental health comes first. Don't let anyone use you. Don't let anyone break you down. Family, friends, whoever it is, you can pick yourself up and move on. There's like so many people in the world. You lose one, get another. I mean, that's just that. You lose one, you get another, and that's it. You lost a friendship, make another one. You lost a husband, wife, girlfriend, get another one. It's not over until you're gone, honey. Until you're under the ground. Okay? So you have plenty of time. If you're still breathing, you're still healthy, you have time. Take a walk. Drink water. Get the coldest water bottle and drink some water. And, just get your life together. And you'll be all right. You'll be fine. Just get up and move on. The biggest misconception, especially people that are narcissistic and, only care about themselves, the biggest conception is, oh, they'll never walk away. They'll never stop being my friend. They'll never divorce me or this, and the third. And look at you glowing up, doing even better. Blessings piling in. Blessings that you can't even keep up with, honey. Piling in. Since everything that happened to me in the last couple years, this is probably the happiest I've been. Literally. Also, guys, when I say this is the happiest I've ever been, no one can make you happy. Your husband, wife, friends, family, no one can make you happy but yourself. Before marriage or before any friend, I'm an individual and a human being and my own person. And if I'm not happy on the inside, nothing and no one can make me happy on the outside. And for once, I just feel like I'm at a spot where it's not perfect, but it's more stable. It's more stable. And I'm more at peace. I'm sleeping at night, all the way through the night. Waking up, not being cranky and mean and all that kind of stuff, being stressed out over things I can't control. And so thank you guys for checking on me or wondering where I'm at or things like that. But I'm going to be more present. Like I said, this holiday season is going down. So make sure you guys come holler at me on my live on August 31st. And the products and everything go live September 1st. My birthday is actually on the 28th, which is next Friday is my birthday. So I'm excited about that. Well, not really. Y'all know I don't like turning 60 and 70, child. I'm gonna be 60. And honey, don't nobody want to be no 60, honey. 60 is giving granny. And I don't want to be a granny, But love y'all.